This is the Sonicake Echo Rain, and it's a simple delay pedal in a very compact form. It is true bypass, and this pedal gives you that analog style sound. Very smooth repeats, they do not get in the way of your playing, and it kind of fills in the background really nicely. Very analog-like sound to it. Not sure if it's an analog chip or some type of chip that emulates kind of that analog sound. Very simple to use. We have blend. So to the left, these are the two small knobs here. When we turn that to the left, we get a clean signal, and to the right, we're blending in our delay signal. And the repeats here are on this knob. And then we have our delay time here with this larger white knob here. So that's the controls. It's a 9-volt pedal, true bypass. The input's on the right of the pedal and output's on the left of the pedal. And I'm playing on the Strat. I'm going into my Daily Driver Overdrive and then into the Echo Rain. And then we're going into my Vox AC30. So let's explore the delay range and how this pedal sounds like. And we'll twist some knobs and hear what that does to the sound. All right, let's go.